The program that we are going to deal with right now is for beginners, but if you are advanced one, you're going to still enjoy it. It is an interesting one. Hello everyone, welcome back to IntelliSkills. Today's program is going to deal with ternary operator. Let us practice it. I hope you are able to see this code snippet over here. Now we are going to shorten up the if-else logic, the if-else block. We are going to shorten it up to one single line. Okay. So how we are going to do that? Using ternary operator. So let us go through the snippet once. We have taken two input. One is credit score, another one is income. Okay. Now in the if else block, it says if the credit score is greater than 700, we are also going to check if the income is greater than 50,000. If yes, we are going to approve it, or else we are going to say income too low. And if the credit score is not greater than 700, then we are going to say credit score too low. Okay. Now we have to shorten it up to one line. Okay. Let us create a new variable, loan approval using ternary operator. Now in that, if credit score greater than 700, then we will do something. Else we print credit score too low. Okay. Now inside this bracket, we will write our internal or inner if-else block. Okay. So let us write it. If income greater than 50,000, then we say approve, else income too low. That's how the code is done. We have successfully shortened it up to one single line. This whole logic in one single line. Now let us print the result of the if-else. Now let us print the result of the ternary operator. Done. Now let us check. Okay. We have three scenarios. We will check all the three. Let us run the program. So first let us enter the credit score 780. Income will say 40,000. Now you can see the result using if else is income too low, and the ternary operator one is also income too low. So yes, it is matched. Now let us run the code again. So enter credit score 780. Income let's say 60,000. You can see if else and ternary operator both are approved. Let us run the code again. Credit score let's enter 600. Income will enter 80,000. You can see result using if else and ternary operator is credit score too low. Okay, now it's done. So if you have not yet started implementing the ternary operator in your daily code, okay, in your day-to-day projects, please start implementing it from right now. It makes the code look 100 times cleaner because it's just in one line, right? So start implementing it now. Your code reviewer will be also very happy. It makes the code more readable. So as you do big projects, you have to use might have to use multiple if-else. So this ternary operator really helps. So we have a lot of playlists in our channel. Please do go visit them. There are Java projects. There are different ways to use Java Stream API and Lambdas. There is Java practice programs for beginners. There are Java array programs. There is a full course, Java full course step by step. There are also practice programs, pattern programs, number programs. Do visit them. Okay, and if you haven't yet subscribed to your channel, please do subscribe, like this video, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and bye.